Hello and welcome to PCMINR.com, and you're watching this video on solve problems on polynomials for grade 10 by Sonal Gupta. So my question reads, find the zeros of a given polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros of the polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. And this is the polynomial given to us. F of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3x minus 1. So first of all, we have to find out the zeros of this polynomial by, we can do it by factorization using the splitting the middle term method. So we start with this. So f of x we know is 4x squared minus 3x minus 1. So we have to split the middle term in such a way that the two parts which we get after splitting, their sum should be equal to minus 3 and their product should be equal to minus 4. So we would take, we can write this as 4x squared minus 4x plus x minus 1. As you can see, minus 4 multiplied by 1 would give us minus 4, and the sum of minus 4x and plus x would give us minus 3x. So we have split the middle term. Now we can just separate these as groups, this separately. So we can take out 4x common here and we get x minus 1, plus we can just take out 1 common here and we get x minus 1. Therefore we got the two factors as 4x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now to find the zeros of the polynomial, we have a rule that f of x, we need to equate it with 0. So to find that those zeros, what we do is we equate these two factors with 0, which implies that the product of 4x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means either of the factor is 0. So either we can say 4x plus 1 is 0, which gives us x as negative of 1 by 4, or we can say the other factor x minus 1 is 0, and that gives us the factor as x is equal to 1. So these two are the zeros of this polynomial f of x. Now we have found out the zeros. We can call them as alpha and beta, and now we have to verify the relation of these zeros of the polynomial with the coefficients of the polynomial. So we have alpha is 1 and beta is minus 1 by 4, and the coefficients are 4, minus 3 and minus 1. So we'll write down a is 4, b is minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now what is the sum of these two roots? That's alpha plus beta, that's 1 plus minus 1 by 4. So that gives me 3 upon 4. Therefore, if we check what is minus b upon a, that is equal to minus of minus 3 by 4. That's plus 3 by 4. Therefore, the sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. That's the first relationship of the zeros with the polynomial coefficients, and the product of the roots alpha into beta, that's 1 into minus 1 by 4. So that's minus 1 by 4. And if we look at the equation of the polynomial, we have c upon a is minus 1 by 4. Therefore, we have found the second relationship between the zeros, that's the product of the zeros is equal to c upon a. Thus, we have found out the zeros and also verified the relation of the zeros of the polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like us, subscribe us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PCMINR.com. Thank you.